Imagine an AI agent that doesn't just answer questions, it takes action. Welcome to the future with Auto-GPT's next-gen upgrade. But first, if you're into powerful AI tools, future tech, and game-changing automation, hit that subscribe button now. You're going to love what next-gen AI Lab delivers. Auto-GPT just became smarter, faster, and more autonomous. The latest update allows these agents to browse the web, code, analyze documents, and even manage tasks, all on their own, with minimal input from you. Think of it as your digital freelancer. From writing blogs to managing emails and conducting market research, Auto-GPT can now act like a real employee. It breaks down goals, creates subtasks, finds the tools it needs, and executes, like a mini CEO. Unlike ChatGPT, which needs constant prompts, Auto-GPT agents chain thoughts, plan ahead, and execute long-term tasks. This shift toward autonomous AI could change business, education, and productivity forever. The future isn't coming, it's already here. If you want to stay ahead of the curve, subscribe to Next Gen AI Lab now and join the next evolution of intelligent tools.